Today is all about our rumba. So now we're tying in our 4/4 time signature, but we move like we're doing a waltz. And now we get to incorporate things that we learned in our salsa pieces and cha-cha, and we bring this all together to create a rumba. You're counting it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but you're going to hold on count 2. So you're going to step forward for our leader, but then you hold and then you move. Again, I'm giving each of the different perspectives, and then you can try it with me. And our follower does the same thing in reverse. Next week, we're going to talk about how to combine all of the steps to create a box step, and that should give a little bit better understanding in how this merges together. I will see you tomorrow.